In today's video, I'm going to talk about B-roll and why you should be including B-roll in your videos. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about B-roll. But before I get into this, you're probably wondering, what is B-roll? B-roll is basically the secondary shots. They're not the most important shots, but they're super important for their own reasons. So let's say you're shooting a music video in a town centre, for example. Your performance shot to the camera and your storyline shots, those will be your A shots. They're like your primary shots. But your B-roll will be the extra shots that help to build context. So these will consist of establishing shots of the town, close-ups of details throughout the location, and other random shots that help to add context to the video. So if you're shooting this music video, you're probably wondering, why do I need B-roll if I'm shooting storyline shots and performance shots? Well, B-roll is super important because it helps the viewer understand where you are and what's happening within the scene. If you film a video and it only consists of storyline shots and performance shots, your viewer is subconsciously wondering where the story is taking place. If you haven't established this through B-roll, then chances are your audience is going to feel a little bit lost and they might end up clicking away from the video. So the next question is, how do you shoot B-roll and how do you include this within your video? When I get to a location, when I'm filming a video, I figure out where all of the action is going to take place. And then I look around the space for specific details that would really help to bring the story to life. So if I'm filming in a town centre, for example, and the music video is quite gritty, then I would try and look for some barbed wire, or I'll look for a shot of some graffiti, or I'll get a low shot of the ground and see the cracks coming up through the concrete and the grass coming up through those cracks. All of those tiny details working together really help to paint a picture of where the story is taking place, and this is super important if you want to keep your viewer engaged within the story. As well as giving clarity to your viewer, B-roll is also handy when you're in the edit because it can help to pace your edit, and it can also help to cover up missing holes within your edit. So let's say you filmed a music video and at the start of the track there's 8 counts of nothing. There's no lyrics at the start of the video and you can't think of any storyline shots to go at the very beginning. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lyrics come in. Now this could be quite fast if you cut it this way, but you've potentially got 8 close-ups there. There's 8 beats, and that means you could potentially use 8 lots of close-ups of B-roll. This means that you can establish the location and the rough theme of the video before you actually get into the main chunk of the video. I always make sure that I capture B-roll when I'm filming music videos because it can really help me out in the edit. Several years ago, I never used to use B-roll in any of my videos and they felt a little bit stale and a little bit stagnant, and I always wondered why. But through time, I actually realized that it was my lack of B-roll and the variety of shots that made my edits look stale. It was just performance shot after performance shot after performance shot, and it just felt really stale. It's a really small tip, but making sure that you capture enough B-roll when you're on set can really help to transform your edit, and it can really make your videos seem much more professional. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.